Yeah.
Earlier during the session, you had mentioned that you are managing the alumni relations with UI Alumni Platform, right? So,
Yeah.
how has the alumni platform helped you keep your engagement alumni centric? Like, if you could share some of your experiences or some of your ideology that you wanted to
Yeah.
achieve
Yeah.
with the alumni platform and how it has helped you in driving an alumni centric engagement.
Yeah. Can we go back to the previous slide, uh,
Yeah.
so that that is part of the See, what we have done is based on the software that is the Almashine, what we have procured, because that's what we were looking. The N2 Aspire, it's an academic program. N2 Aspire, we call it, because usually on this platform we only invite the alumni. Basically, the alumni who have gone passed out and has achieved a lot in in their respective fields. Whether they are the seniors or the juniors, now these lines are blurring. The N2 Aspire is a platform where we call the alumni, come and give and address our students, our faculty. It's the program. And if I have to plan an N2 Aspire program, I would want to have a registration platform, and I need to send these easily shareable messages. The Almashan platform has it, and the one more program is Enlighten. Enlighten is where there are so many people who are in the field of medicine, dentistry, nursing, physiotherapy, who have achieved a lot. If I'm calling any external speaker who's a distinguished speaker and is a subject expert, we have a separate platform called as Enlighten. These are the two initiatives where we are pushing our academic activities. And in fact, N2 Aspire, we have had, you can see the progression of the N2 Aspire programs there. When we started in 2010 and 12, we had very few programs. 12 to 14, very few. As you can see, it's an continuous progress. In 2018 and 20, we are having people calling us and telling us, we want to come and deliver this lecture. Initially, we had to approach them. Please come and give. This is the platform we have given to you. In fact, now people are calling up and telling us, we are ready to give. And even Enlighten is a platform. We all know that the materials and they are there. Even a few of the exports. We had a tie up with one of the dental companies called as Dentsply, where we did an Enlighten program where we had a endodontic expert who came and gave a talk. And in fact, his next program was scheduled last month. Again, due to COVID, it has been postponed. The first program, we had only around 14 participants. The second program is oversubscribed 3 times. We only take around 20 participants, but 50 students are ready to come and join the program. So basically, these are all the programs, and all these things are possible only because of the Almashine's platform. In fact, the recent changes what you have made, I think I should commend you, Kapil, on that. Getting the messages across, changes. The events module what you have done is excellent. I can, in fact, we had a recent UK platform. We had 600 participants from all over India. I had to tell this, and we had to do a last minute change of the venue, because what we had planned for was 200 participants, because we had experts from UK coming in. Suddenly I'm seeing an overnight the subscription has gone up to 600 people. Now we had to change the venue, and I had to tell this in a matter of 2 days. Till the last moment, we had enough registration around 200, so we had planned in that hall. Suddenly next day morning I'm getting a call from UK. The participants have been increased to 600, and I'm like, okay, now we have to shift the venue, shift the change, and have to inform the participants. I think your email, which says, I can send one click of a button. I just had to change the venue, and I had to inform them, about the bus schedule, where they have to come and catch the buses. We were supposed to start at 10. I thought we will be delayed, but in fact, 600 people were there at the venue, sharp on. That was one of the biggest, advantages of the technology. What I can tell you, this is, it was surprising for me. I thought all my programs will be delayed, but 600 people were there. I was surprised. We were delayed. We were delayed. We were thinking 600 people will take time, because they were all coming from trains. They were coming from airplane. They had taken flights. It was an opportunity for our dentist to go to UK and work.
Okay.
That's why we had 600 participants.
Uh-huh.
We had to close down the registration to 600 because I was 600 is enough. More than that, it's not going to go. It will be a chaos.
I see.
That
Yeah.
that day it made me realize, I made a right choice. We could send the messages. The usefulness of the platform. And the crowdfund module, definitely, we've been able to just click and share the message across, tell them about the project. Every explanation is there. Every event we have an SOP. Any alumni who wants to contribute, he asks me, what are you going to everything is put down in that platform, and we tell them, it's a everything is there. You want to see how much money anybody has contributed. There are so many people who wants to contribute anonymous donations. They want to contribute 1,000 rupees, they want to contribute 500 rupees. Anonymous donation is there, and what our government wants is a account to account fund transfers.
Uh-huh.
Excellent initiative. The crowdfund module. One thing you have to understand that none of the alumni wants to contribute, especially in India. I don't know about the other institutions, but when it comes to medical institutions like Inapoya, which is like a private run institution where the alumni feel, why should we contribute to a private organization like Inapoya, which is a private institution. They have enough money. Why do I need to contribute? This was the alumni feeling when we started. After I started this crowdfunding, the platform, we started sending messages. People are trying to understand, what we are trying to do. And hopefully, we are trying to, incorporate a Keto-like model. Even in most of them know that, Keto is a crowdfund generating module. We had a lot of discussions, because we do get, on and off discussions, to, raise funds for the other causes as well. So, but as of now, we have kept it under discussions only. In future, we are going to use it like a crowdfund module as well. The mailing engine, I know how many people, I'm not snooping on them definitely, but I know that how many of them have clicked, how many of them have not opened. Many of them are my own friends. I can call them up and tell, please, see the message, what has come. We have around 8 of our association members, who personally monitor all these mails, who calls them up, if it is important. I'm talking about, when we need NAC related data, which is very important. We need to get this data in a matter of 2 days, 3 days. There is no other way but man-to-man connection. We see the mail and we call them up and we tell them to respond. Social media channels, a click of a button. I just have to tell anything. I just have to click the button and share it. And that's what most of them also like it actually. And it's a thriving alumni community. We have created a lot of polls. You have to understand that the polls are very controversial also. Thankfully my management is not objecting till date. But you have to understand that we are creating all these things so that the alumni respond. Like we ask, how do you rate your hostel food? Most of us know that we are not going to rate very high for that. But they are all there so that they can respond. They come to the platform. This is it. And moreover, as far as I am concerned, I think in a day we have around 5 clinics and 5 colleges are 5 new hospitals are opening. We do update all these things on the platform. And most of them, put congratulatory messages. Even in fact, yesterday, I think one of our alumni had opened his own consultation practice. And I think we already have 200 people who are congratulating him, 200 people who have seen the message. This brings the goodwill in him. And, this is how, this platform, tremendously helped us. And the Google example, I don't have to tell. It's for you to go and experience. You can just type in Yuva and see.
Great. So those were very elating and generous words from you. It's a pleasure that we have been a part of the wonderful journey of Yuva, and we have been able to make some extent of impact along with your efforts and your passion for Inapoya University Alumni Association.